welcome to another episode with me, Living Free Ashley. Today we are making barbecued veggie skewers with a tahini sauce. Sounds simple, and it is. If you're looking for a really quick, colorful meal that you can throw on the barbecue, then this is your meal. If it's not barbecue season, then you can throw the veggie kebabs in the oven as well, so you do have that option. It's great as an appetizer, it's great served with rice, and it's really pretty. Okay, so for ingredients for the veggie kebabs, you need zucchini, orange pepper, red pepper, white onion, yellow zucchini squash, and cherry tomatoes. You want to make sure that the veggies are skewer-able, if that makes any sense. So basically, veggies on the softer side that you can put on a skewer. Half a teaspoon of dried dill, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, sea salt and black pepper to taste, and a brush. And of course, you need skewers. So I actually just have mine soaking in water right now. I just find that if you don't soak them, they can start on fire on the barbecue, which you don't want. So always make sure you soak them before. And for the tahini sauce, you need a 1/4 cup of tahini, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of water, and sea salt and black pepper to taste. This tahini sauce is really versatile, so you can add different spices in it. You can put a little bit of an Asian twist on it and add some soy sauce. Totally up to you. You can use it as a dip, you can use it as a salad dressing. This is really great to put on falafels. So there's actually quite a bit you can do with this. So I would recommend making a whole batch, and then you have a bunch to use for whatever recipe you'd like. Okay, let's get started. So beautiful and colorful and yummy. So there you have it, a super quick meal. One thing that I like to do is actually make them ahead of time. So one evening you can put them all together on the skewers, put them in the fridge, and then they'll stay for a few days for when you're ready to throw them on the barbecue, which turns it into a super, super quick meal. Thank you again for watching another episode with me, Living Free Ashley. Don't forget to subscribe, and cheers to living free.